Yo, what up, YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. I want to talk to you guys about this upcoming week. This upcoming week will have a lot of volatility. It may have a lot of sell-offs, which is fine, okay? I want you to realize sell-offs and volatility is needed, okay? If something is just rallying and going up and up and up forever, I feel like that's more of a problem than us not coming back, retracing, and really filling in those fair value gaps. Okay, now I want to go to Nvidia real quick, show you guys this week. This week was an amazing week. I sold this a little bit further down, the 143, and then we see these red candles right here, right? This trend that's going down. Overall, we've been in an uptrend. Look at this level. So when you look at this, okay, look all the way down here at 141. Okay, 141 to 143, this is a uptrend. As simple as it is, I want you guys to forget the indicators. Do not use any lines. Just look at how this graph is trending upwards. From 141 is just going up and up and up, right? But we can go further down. We have a couple downtrends here, then we go back up. We're creating a very good level. This is a level being created. That's what I like to see. Now this level is only going to be broken by market fear, uncertainty, and new competition. So when we talk about the market being an uptrend, okay, we have to realize it's not going to last forever. We build a level, we test the resistance, we fall back down. Nvidia can go up to 155, 140, 154, but then that pullback is very much needed, okay? Or building another level. Here is where we built another level. So if you look at 143 to 141, this major drop off happens because we failed to keep that resistance. We failed to go higher than 143. As we can see, we went to 145, okay, for a little bit. We retested 145 and we got dropped off. Then we retested about 143, dropped off, and then we're currently at like 141, okay, which is fine. So when these levels get tested, you need to pinpoint these levels. So for example, this level, let's draw a horizontal line right here. This level is called resistance. And if you can just keep in mind honestly, just one. I want you to just keep in mind one single resistance level in analyzing a chart. Okay, if you can analyze a chart rightly, no matter if it's Nvidia, no matter if it's Walmart, no matter if it's the S&P 500, if you can realize and pinpoint this resistance level and realize where support level was. So support level was, let's say we broke support right here. So support was about right, you can even say right here, but we broke that level. When we break that level, where are we at right now? The bottom of the bottom is 141.57. So this week we cannot break 141.57, which we can go all the way as low as 140 flat, okay? But if we get under 139, we're in trouble. We're in trouble if you own the stock high at 144, 143. But if you own the stock at 131, 132, you're still chilling, okay? Now, Walmart recently pulled back after hitting resistance. So Walmart, like 9,900, it hit that level, came back down. I entered Walmart at 94.80. That is a key level. Ignore everything that's going to be produced next month with tariffs. Next month is going to be one of those months where we have to look at our portfolio and just not care. When you're down 10% on a big tech stock, on a big ETF, you have to realize that's a buying opportunity. As simple as that, okay? So still a solid defensive play in uncertain times. That is the key. In uncertain times, when you look at a stock like Walmart and the history of Walmart, and if you know the history of Sam Walton, you know how this business was scaled. It was scaled in a major way that a lot of people don't understand. They have over 10,000 stores. They have gas stations now. Let's be for real, right? We have to look at their income, their cash flow, their profit margin, and their strategy. Amazing long-term play, okay? Now, S&P 500 index rallying led by tech. Okay, so this week Nvidia was up, AMD, one of those other ones that were up. So if you look at AMD is the little brother of Nvidia. That's what I like to say, right? It's Nvidia's long lost cousin. Okay, and if we go all the way up, I haven't seen this level in a while. So look at this. I want to show you guys. We went all the way up to right here. We went all the way up to about 124. So June 25th, not June 25th, but this is the level that I want to talk about. Yeah, so June 11th, this is the level I want to talk about. So June 2025, Wednesday. The 124 level hasn't been hit in an AMD in such a long time. And I've seen as low as 90, 98, I would say, and even 92. So when we go all the way back, I want you to see the 90 level real quick. And I was holding the stock at this level, and all I did was just hold it. I wish I would have bought it at this level, but we've been all the way down. We've been all the way down to levels such as 90, let's say about 90, 102, 98, 99. I want you to look at these levels, okay? And if we have rebounded from this, all the way up to 124, June was the month to make money. As simple as that. So July, when we look at July, we have to realize we're either going to be consolidating, we're either going to move sideways, exactly what AMD is doing right now. We're either going to move sideways, or we're going to break major resistance or support levels. In my opinion, we're going to break major support levels. My portfolio might be down for a little bit, which is fine, and I'm okay with that, but because I'm simply going to add more money with a smile on my face. Because I know the money's made in the months where the stock is down. The money is not made when the stock is up. As simple as that. So if Walmart breaks that 90, 91 level, which I believe it will, I believe it can go under 92 at least, based on speculations that I'm hearing, based on news that's coming out about tariffs. The 90 days, you gotta realize, 90 days is slowly ticking by. So once that's over, S&P 500, I can see 581, 579. I can see those level again. So when we see those level again, keep in mind what June did for us. June was an amazing month, right? We're in the middle of June right now. Starting tomorrow is going to be June 15th. So I'm recording this video on Sunday. So market opens tomorrow. You might see your portfolio down 5, 6, 7%, whatever the case might be. That is where you add money. If you have historic data on a stock being up 130% in the last 5 years, what are you panicking about, right? So keep that in your mind. I feel like a major pullback will be coming soon. These uptrends are usually led by levels, and I showed you guys these levels that are created with any stock. So we test those resistance level. We tested that. Let's say we tested this 117 level. We tried to break the 117. We couldn't break 117. We break support right here. Okay, boom. We break support right here, or right about here. Okay, I want you to look at this red candle right here. We broke support. Okay, we broke that level, and we come all the way down to 115. We bounced back off of 115. Okay, and we're stuck at 116. What can the stock do from here? Can they build this level? Like Nvidia can build a level very well. Nvidia can build the 138 to 142 level very well and attempt the 152. Can AMD do that as well? I doubt it. Okay, I doubt it. And then let's say if a stock is trying to build that level, right? They're trying to consolidate, move sideways, build that level. But news article comes out, oh, Trump is raising tariffs again. China is having discussions about tariffs once again. Tech stocks in trouble, Walmart in trouble, ETFs in trouble, whatever the headline might be, right? That level is going to have a big sell-off based on specifically the news. There goes your portfolio. People who wanted to buy and were on the sidelines, it's time to get in the game now. All right, so keep that in mind. It's Mr. Buy the Dip. Mr. Buy the Dip is out. That was the point of this video, was to tell you guys about major pullback coming soon. And I've seen this happen. When Nvidia hit 152, I actually did not own Nvidia, but I waited to 135 and I brought it down to 129, took it back up to 135, sold it. Okay, now I can see Nvidia going back under 137, and I will buy at that level. I will buy, and I will try to average down, or I may even look for 132, 133. It will happen soon. Okay, Amazon was at 168 at one point, 170, and I didn't buy it. And I went with Nvidia, a more aggressive approach. Either or, two great stocks. Walmart's a great stock. Nvidia is. AMD is. Knowing how to maneuver when they're down is very important. So be prepared. I want you guys to be prepared because I am. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Mr.